Hi, my name is Shawn, um, and today I'm going to be talking about CLA, which is an acronym for conjugated linoleic acid. It's a natural trans fat found in the body. It's made and processed in the body pretty regularly, and it's a CIS and trans fat, which just gives its chemistry behind it, which means it's just a double bond. Usually trans fats are single bonded, and today CLA has been very common as far as purchasing in GNCs and nutrition shops, just because of its promises as far as fat burning and increased muscle mass. And there are two types of trans fats found in the body. There's a biohydrogenated, which means it's just found in the bacteria in like humans or cows or any type of animal, and all that does is it just breaks down the fat, which in result gives you CLA. The other one is synthetic, which is found in like vegetable oil, like safflower oil, and that is what you'll usually see in the supplement that you buy at a vitamin shop. CLA consists of two isomers, but there are 28 isomers in total. So that the two that are, I guess, selected are the ones which you'll find in CLA supplements are trans fat 11, trans 10, and then CIS 12. And again, the double bond just lowers the melting point of fat, and CLA can be found naturally in food like meat, dairy, eggs, butter, and usually when it's found in meat, it's found in animals that have been grass-fed, so occasionally cows, sheep, etc. Some of the physiological rationale varies depending on what an individual wants, but in this case, CLA is known for providing fat burning properties, but some of the other ones that have been highlighted is CLA can prevent cancer. This is due to the anti-tumor properties, as it inhibits the growth and spread of cancerous cells. Another one has pertains to cardiovascular disease and insulin resistance. This is just due to the fact that it reduces triglycerol and cholesterol levels, as well as slowing down plaque buildup in your arteries. But lastly, and the most popular one is, again, fat burning, and this is due to the fact that it affects the PPAR, which is just an acronym for the peroxisome proliferator activated receptors, which is just a process in which your body breaks down glucose and lipids, and which aids in fat burning. There have been numerous studies and cases done on CLA and its effectiveness. So right now I'm just going to highlight two of the case studies I included in my paper. The first one was by some dude named Blinkson. Study was just conducted just to see the dosage variation and how that affected the results of whether or not it decreased body fat mass in overweight and obese individuals. He did a double-blind case study. Sorry about that. And he took 60 subjects. All of them have been either diagnosed being overweight or obese, and within those 60 groups, he split them up into 5 groups. The first group was given a placebo, which was just olive oil, and the other 4 groups were given variation of dosage as far as CLA, ranging from 1 gram to about 7 grams. And this was done for 12 weeks. And at the end of the 12 weeks, they found that it really did reduce body fat mass in those individuals. And the other study that I did was by a guy named Gudmundsson, and he kind of set up a similar scenario as far as the study, double-blind, placebo, and he took 20 healthy exercising humans, gave them an exercise regimen that consisted of them working out 90 minutes 3 times a week while being given zero point 0.6 grams of CLA during those 12 weeks. And again, the results yielded that CLA did reduce body fat in those individuals. So in conclusion, CLA has been proven to work, but obviously there needs to be more research done on the topic. So some of the side effects of CLA have been can range from very minor to very severe. Some of the side effects I've seen in research have been pretty common in I guess weight loss and ergogenic aid supplements and stuff like that. Usually it's upset stomach, diarrhea, nausea, fatigue. But ones that I found that were pretty interesting for CLA particularly was it had a reduction in HDL cholesterol, which we all know that's good cholesterol, and another one was also possibly an increase in triglycerols. So yeah, some of the, and then obviously there are warnings and precautions as far as taking CLA. Some of the populations that shouldn't ingest in CLA are pregnant women because it can affect your lactation in breast milk. Another one is diabetics because it's been shown to increase your blood sugar level, and dosage has been argued in this particular weight loss supplement because some argue that you get plenty of it in your diet, so you don't need supplementation. But the recommended dosage is about 3 to 5 grams daily, and we get plenty of that in our diet just based on our culture, us being a meat-eating culture, especially red meat. So yeah, that's my video project on CLA.